Carmel Mary Tebbutt is an Australian former politician. She was the Labor Party member for the former seat of Marrickville in the New South Wales Legislative Assembly until the 2015 election and was Deputy Premier of New South Wales from 2008 to 2011. She was also Minister for Health in the Keneally Government. She is the first woman to hold the position of Deputy Premier of New South Wales. Tebbutt is one of 7 children. She was born and raised in the country New South Wales town of Forbes. Her family then moved to the Sutherland Shire in Sydney, where she attended Our Lady of Fatima Catholic Primary School, Our Lady of Mercy College, Burraneer, then completed her HSc at De La Salle College, Cronulla. She went on to earn an economics degree from the University of Sydney, graduating in 1986. She joined the Labor Party in 1985 as a member of its left-wing faction. In 2000, Tebbutt married Anthony Albanese, later the leader of the Australian Labor Party and 31st Prime Minister of Australia. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.